Yeah, man, bless my peeps. Something I've been observing and watching this um channel. Right. Yeah, man, bless my peeps. It's something that been observing and watching this Empress channel and Dee Mwango. You know what? Me couldn't even spell it. Me couldn't even pronounce her name, but eventually get it. And I remember the first time I saw she went Jamaica, and I was quite impressed. And just watching and I was following her channel before she went to Jamaica, and basically when I saw her went to Jamaica, I was like, okay, okay, let's see, where this go. And the stuff that she was doing the first time when she went to Jamaica, I was like, whoa, it reminded me. I mean, I didn't do so much, you know. I mean, I live in Africa, so my first time in Africa, I was touring and going a lot of places, but she did a lot more than I did when I first came to Africa. And one of the things that impressed me about this Empress here is the fact that she can kind of blend in and learn the culture, and she was willing to go places. She got some places that I've never been. She got some places that I wouldn't go, you know, and because when you don't really know people in certain places, it's very hard, and you're limited in where you might go or what you might do. But me take off my hat to her because I see she do something down there in Jamaica. I'm talking about. I see she been some places. I see she meet some nice people and been around. And you know now I see a lot of what I've realized now. I see a lot of like African YouTubers, a lot of YouTubers, start talking on the topic, especially now. Now I see Wadimaya went after this lady, and you know, I was like, okay, nice one. But one of the things when stand out for me with this Empress is the way how she does blend in with the culture. And now you have the YouTuber them as usual. Them are, you are gonna always have people start talking about this and shit, that and shit, And for me, watching her channel is very inspiring, and I enjoy watching her content. And me no say nothing wrong. Just like how me go Africa and me explore and can go around and learn certain things. This is exactly what she doing in Jamaica. You understand? So I don't see all of a sudden some YouTuber say, oh, because she gone to the ghetto or in the garrison, that means you know, she don't she don't she broke and all of these things. And I was listening to a YouTuber. I'm gonna link his channel to the in the description. Yeah. And the Virgin was saying some factual things. He was saying, like, people don't really know her, and people really to judge and really to jump to their own conclusion and start to talk a whole heap of things. You understand? But let me just give you a quick insight of what me I talk about. Hold on 1 second. Give a quick insight. Check this out.
Guys, I'm telling you, if you live in such places, you get to experience the real people, the real, everything real, raw and filtered. Right now, the streets are not so active because it's early morning. People have gone to work. Today is a day after Easter Monday. So, yeah, people are getting back to work and their business. place, you know.
You see, what you have to understand, when you really look upon the Empress, you see, you can see say she's happy. She's happy doing what she's doing, you know, she's in Jamaica, happy doing what she's doing. So, me not see the problem. Me not say all of a sudden, you know, especially the YouTubers them in you know, on the continent. Not for them have too much to say. You understand? Create your own content and leave the Empress make she do what she do. You understand? And you know, you have people just follow your channel just for bash you and talk foolishness. But you know, there was another video she did. There was another, but this one was the one where really, because people watching it just for talk about things and talk, peer things, you know. But let's check this out.
And I cannot forget what Dennis' grandpa said, eat your food, keep off people business.
You hear that? Come out of people business. Mind your own business. Exactly. You understand? And me as a Jamaican, me love what she do. Honestly, me love what she do. Me love that because we're doing it in Africa. We're doing it wherever we travel in the world, wherever we go. You understand? And I remember I put a video when I remember even the Virgin was me link him video. And he was talking about you know, some people were bashing her about she eat mango and she eat the fruits and thing and how can you eat fruits and broke? That don't make no sense. That's rich. That's rich in health. Me do a video about Jamaica, you know. I said Jamaica, and this is what me agree with the Virgin. I think it's One Love, One Something Africa. I look back for that channel and put it up. Me go to Jamaica and me look and me laugh. Come I say, oh, can Africa, remember, you know, motherland, you know, but yet still in Jamaica you have more variety of fruits, trees, and some there's so much more in Jamaica. The amount of fruits, I say Jamaica the real Africa because the amount of fruit, trees, the amount of speed, like the Virgin said, the amount of different mangoes, apple, just fruit in general, food. There's no way in Jamaica. There's nowhere in the world, I talk about Jamaica, there's nowhere in the world like Jamaica when it comes to food, cooking, when it comes to food. Trust me. And like the man say, in Jamaica we're very health conscious when it comes to because we grew up eating mangoes and fruit, cane, all type of something. And I like foreign where we, you know, we that foreign and you live overseas and you come and you start to eat all type of foolishness because most of the food them are secondary. They're not fresh. You understand? Anyway, let me make the Empress talk.
Hey, but I love it. Anyway, guys, today I have a lot of things to do. Right now, this is my outfit of the day because I'm going somewhere. Then later, I will change. I don't need to tell you everything that I'm doing. I'm going somewhere for now. Hey, it's a Lamborghini. Hey, greetings, me father. I'm good.
I just love how she does, you know, learn the culture and she does fit in. She learn the local lingua. The lingua, yes, my father, my mother. You don't know the thing. Them something that we love these things. And this is why, you know, like, you know, we're in Africa and then we speak the local language and, you know, people here in Ghana, I'm in Ghana, people here in Ghana, boy, yo, them love the, you know, we try to make that effort to speak that way or speak like them, and them love our dialect, them love our lingua, them love the slogans, the things them when we say, them love it. You understand? I've seen it. I hear it every time when you speak to any foreigner outside of Jamaica. Honestly, them love it.
You good? Yeah. This feels like a Lamborghini. I'm telling you, it feels like a Lamborghini. Hey, and you look so good, like in terms of age. How old now?
63.
60 tree? Wow. What is the secret of living so long in this world? Any advice you're gonna tell my people?
Clean heart.
Eh?
Everyone say clean heart or clean eyes. I wish one
Let me turn down the music. Where is it?
Turn the music. Mikey, turn the
Say
music.
clean heart and clean hand and clean mind, clean the heart. The mind is the heart. It's a clean heart. That means your mind have a right. You understand? Your mind have a right.
Off. Yeah.
Up.
It have interfere with the camera.
No! Down. Yeah. The secret of living so long in this world. What can you say?
What's live good?
Eh?
Live good, you know?
Live good.
Yeah.
That is it.
I can't understand why people would have really. Then again, I can't understand. Because, people shall live our life, shall live our best life. And most of who attack and I talk about she this and she that, most of them never been to Jamaica. Most of them don't go to these places. Them sit down and them watch and them chat inside the comfort of their home. You understand? Or behind a camera. Most of them don't know these type of life. They never experience it, so they could never understand exactly how the Empress feel. They could have never understand the excitement. If you've never been to Jamaica, you can never sorry. If you've never been to Jamaica, you can never understand this level of happiness, of comfort, of peace. You understand? Unless you go there before you talk. You see, Wadimaya was there the other day, and look, Wadimaya travel the whole world. And one thing left in my mind, and one country him always on top. There's two countries, there's another country, I can't remember my name. But there's one that stick out. Jamaica. Everywhere him go. Me see him there Kenya the other day, and me and my tell the man say, yo, me a carry go Jamaica. Me and you go link at Jamaica. But this Empress, yeah man, she take it to the next level. She don't know the thing go because, like me say, I watch her channel and watch her thing them where she travel and go to different countries. But there's a different level. There's a different energy. From she reach Jamaica, you could see, even from when she was showering, she was living at some country era, and she has shower outside and all of these things. So, listen man, just enjoy the thing and talk.
Live clean, you know?
Live clean.
Yeah.
That is it. Live clean and work.
Go to a different one.
Slowly at the top.
Alright, this is our friend, yeah? Hold on a second.
I've been gone for too
This is our friend. This is where
Everyone, look at the trees at the top. Honors, they have ripe.
hold on. She go for her friend.
You can tell we live in Trench Town.
She go for her friend.
Yesterday, one of the taxi drivers.
She go for her friend. Which she invite to Jamaica. She bring her back. She bring her to Jamaica. And the girl, from the moment the girl get there was this excitement. There was this level of joy. There was this level of everything. The girl was so happy. The excitement from she come through the airport and the level of certain things. Some people will never enjoy that level. Some people will never know what happiness or a certain level of joy because they don't go nowhere. They're not unless somebody do something. And even when somebody doing it, you always are gonna have people are gonna have something to say. Unless enough of them not try it, enough of them not traveling, going to these places. Just like when I first go to Africa. And some people say, well, Africa, why Africa? Why not? You always have somebody who feel like say them know more or feel like say them want to put their fears on you. Whatever them fear, them want to push it on you. You understand? That's what you say. That's not my experience. That because it never worked for them, them want to put that on you. You understand? That's what you realize with people.
Gave us pictures, and he was like, where are you going? No, where are you? She asked me, where do you come from? Where do you live here in Jamaica? I said Trench Town. What did she say?
Bad people place this and me a bad girl.
I told the lady me a bad girl.
You know, alright, check this out now. Let's just scroll through the video. Right? This is the girl.
Old people cook for them. So this is the kitchen. Okay. Yeah, then they have another chef who's called Wow Chef. He has
This is our friend. Our friend is there in Jamaica now. And I enjoy that. You see the level of happiness where she shared with our friend when she went back to Kenya. Our friend come to Jamaica if come get some of that to her. I watch the videos them and she watch the thing them. So our friend was just not only a bystander. She come join the group. She come join the experience. Enough people are coward and them just sit down on YouTube and chat pure foolishness. Enjoy yourself.
2 hearts, by the way. 2 hearts. Yeah. You're gonna meet him later. Yeah. So, Kino is the best, guys. Please go subscribe to Kino as well too. He brought me here and I fell in love with this place. And it's now home.
Brought me here.
I'm telling you, you're gonna love it.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Hey, look at all the way there's like some mountain. Oh,
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Sean, can you see the difference with our ghettos? Look, they have nice roads.
Look
Just
at the
see.
ghetto, guys.
Yeah.
It's super clean.
Yeah, it's funny. Yeah.
Wow, 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 wow.
Welcome, baby. Welcome.
Alright. You see, look on the ghetto, yeah? You saw the road them nice and pretty. No, look on this.
To the hood.
Look on the road. Not one pothole. Look how the road look nice. Eh? Ah.
Let's go. That is, hey guys, it's because I'm from the office.
Me love when people enjoy my country. Trust me, me love it.
So that is why today, that is it. All right, baby. Welcome.
But watch this now.
This is the ghetto life. You remember the last time we were in Kibera? Yeah.
But watch this now. You see where she gone? The place look a garrison, right? And when she go up inside the yard, it's like a watch this. Me not talk too much.
That is it. That is it. Wait. Yeah, good trees everywhere. Where's Dream?
Yes.
All right. You good? All right then.
Oh, alright.
Hi. That is my sister.
You know Dee Mwango?
Those are babies. All right, guys.
Yeah, so she carry her and show her which part she has stay, yeah? Watch this.
Here, relaxing, having a good time, and that is it. I love Esther because she's very progressive, you know?
Wow. Where should I put this in my bag?
Let's go. I'll show her. Yes, this is my chilling bed during the day.
Wow.
Of course, I during the day you'll find me sleeping there, just having a good time. I love it. Then I love working from here most of the time. My laptops, you know, I just love this place. Yeah, but we have 2 offices. Welcome.
Watch this.
That is it.
Hey, Dee Mwango. Dee Mwango.
You see me, I tell you? Look at that. Enough hotel. Uptown, enough hotel. In some place. Enough hotel where they might charge whole heap of money for don't look like this. Don't have this level of comfort. You understand? Some people don't understand. You see this experience where people show you love. You understand? Me understand, okay, you have to be careful who you're around. You understand? And there's a level of, okay, awareness. But check this though. Leave the Empress, make sure you enjoy your life.
Let's stay in beautiful places no matter what.
This is the ghetto. You are lying, my friend. You are lying. Ain't no way, man. Ain't no way.
Your expectations when I told you I'm taking you to live in the ghetto.
Okay, let's go.
You thought that like
Unless you go outside, you can't know which part you're there. I mean, look on them level of furniture, yeah. This is not a joke. Look on the level of furniture them, really and truly. Honestly. Look upon them furniture, yeah.
Can get us.
I thought it's like some thatched house somewhere. I was like, it's gonna be ghetto.
It's a ghetto, but this is Jamaican ghetto. See, even I need to fold my clothes right here.
So we can show them our ghetto.
I'm telling you, it's
They
so
need to know the
beautiful.
real ghetto. This is literally
Heaven.
middle class.
Yeah, honestly. You cannot even compare it to a ghetto or something. So this is
Somebody
normal.
whose curtain is rich. Do you know how expensive curtains are?
Even back home. And having all these like closet, everything. You haven't even seen the bathroom.
I mean, look at the size of the size of the room. I mean, look at the size of the bed. Look at the quality of furniture. The match, everything does match up. The wall. Oh, sure.
Clean. Everything is like excellent. Big up Esther.
And there's a TV. But you know you can break your neck.
Yeah, when you're sleeping here, it's just washing right there.
So if you're watching
the
your-
mirror, you haven't even like. I love this place honestly so much. I love it.
When you're watching TV, you gotta watch like this.
But normally, I'm the girl. I saw that. I'm like showing you something else. Anyways, welcome then.
Thank you. Eish.
Okay, guys, we are finally here, and I will see you when I get outside.
Yeah, we are.
I have two working places. This is my other MacBook, and also, you see, the physiology of money. That is it. This is all that matters. The rest don't matter. You know the thing go.
Wow.
This place is so good. I love it.
Yeah. Definitely. You know, she's doing her thing. She's doing her thing. She's doing good. I love it. And you know, people have to leave people, make them do what them do. You understand? Let me see. She's outside now.
And that is it. All right, then, right here, so. No, right here, so. Wanna come out?
She said, right, yeah, so. She even pick up the local accent. Watch this, right, yeah, so.
Kenya.
Oh, well, this is Uncle Fly.
That is it.
Yeah, I'm on TikTok now, so we got the one.
Oh, big up Kenyans. Dee Mwango here. Check me out on YouTube. We're in Jamaica.
All right, so yeah, that. And big up.
How many people watching? Let me see what go on.
And big
20
up-
people. Yeah, okay. You have good
Big
people.
up Uncle Fly and daughter live.
All right. Uncle Fred and daughter.
Yes, so this is Uncle Fly, so we're streaming live from Jamaica. Uncle Fly and daughter live.
All right. Uncle
big
Fred
up
and
Kenya.
daughter.
Yeah,
Big up yourself.
Kenya, so.
That is it.
That
Big
is it,
up.
yeah.
Big up. All right. Esther, give him something then to buy some lunch.
The con man went that way.
Yeah, that way. All right then, thank you, okay? But next time you run, we want a young youth who has energy to run. You are tired, you don't know how to run. Yeah, that's
Papa
what I
tired.
want. Yeah, that is what I want.
In a run, you want.
I want it fast.
Oh, no, what you was saying, you want them to view the place. Maybe if you move in.
I know Jamaica is this, but you have to go with, you run. Like Usain Bolt.
You never tell me, baby.
I was telling you run, you
I'm
don't.
the rider.
You're not a good rider, you.
Yeah.
Dee Mwango. Dee Mwango.
Dee Mwango.
That is it. All right, then later, okay? Okay.
I want to feel in Jamaica. I want to feel nice.
Yeah, we love it. It's the best place.
All right.
Yeah, that is it. That is it.
Yeah, man, just a scrub through the video. Just a scrub through the video. I show you them going in the market. Hold on. See it going on the. Yeah, so. Cause Kelly and them's fresh.
Kelly on. Back home, you think this is
Kelly and them
Scallion.
fresh.
No, Scallion. Scallion is beast. This is not like yeah.
See, some little. Me that gone and I see some Kelly and some little. Them maga like not in my finger.
To show her.
Maga.
She just came just today. This is is thyme. These are
Thyme,
Jamaican
look at that.
spices while cooking.
Think them fresh. Look at the time them big.
Thyme. So no.
Look at that. My gosh.
My sister, she just came today.
My God.
Yeah. No, Kenya. East Africa. That is it. Yeah, you need to come. You need to come. Yeah, it's such a good place. You're welcome. You gonna love it. That is it. What you saying? You're not coming to do what? To watch the lion?
Yeah, man.
yeah.
We are Jamaican now. We like.
Mommy?
One thing when I say I go to Kenya, I want to go see the animal
You
them.
know exactly what you see. Yeah, that is it. That is it. Go on, Sean. Show her. That is it. All right, mommy. Thanks, eh? Keep watching Wagwan. You are the best. You see, I love how you hustle. You come out and do something. You don't just sit and wait. Big up yourself.
Really, I mean. Yeah, man. Me love her. Let me see. She got another thing. Onions, fresh fruit. Look how the thing them clean. That's one thing where I realize, even when I'll go to the market in Ghana, the fruit them not clean like this. You need to clean out the fruit. And every time me and them in an argument, I say, why I'm not clean out the fruit them? The vegetable them look at them. Hold on. See potato, you have banana, you have everything clean. Look how them clean. Pepper, what them call pepper. Plantain. Let me see. See ginger over there, so. Up at top there. And me always argue with them, I fight with them over the dirty ginger. Me I say ginger them too dirty. Clean them off and you know what I mean? Look, them things are a joke me I make.
Esther, me, I don't think those tomatoes are good.
Look at even the carrots.
Yeah.
Look over there, so them tomatoes are pretty. Different color, green, red, yellow, cucumber, plantain, banana. A Ghana, you don't say banana unless it's ripe. You don't say banana unless it's ripe. Look up at top there over my head. You see, up there, so. You see, you have the plantain there, so, and you have the banana over here, so. You have the green plantain there, so, and then you have the dark there, so. That's okra she have in her plastic, her bag. See it? Potato. Clean.
Because honestly,
That's what I tell you.
eating everything
Sure.
else is too much. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Proper clean thing. You know, but, you know, Dee Mwango. May I try to pronounce her name, man? Dee Mwango. Do your thing. Because guess what? We love it. You understand? We love it. We enjoy your content, them. You understand? Do your thing. Like me say, look how them tomatoes are nice and clean and pretty. Look. Look how them clean. Yes, man. That's what I talk about. Like me say, people, like and subscribe. Share the videos. But this Empress, follow our channel and me love what she do. Honestly, me love what she do. Continue. And protect her. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself, because you don't know. So, the next video, I have a couple of videos where I go take a look at. I have some other videos where I take a look at still. But like I say, I just wanted to talk about this Empress because I love her content and people just chat. But she gone to Jamaica and she broke and all these things and she in the ghetto. What wrong with that? You know what I mean? Just leave her and make she do her thing, man. Because since she go Jamaica, enough YouTuber me start pre-Jamaica now. Everybody start talking about Jamaica this and Jamaica exists forever. Jamaica has always been there. but nobody not talk about it. You understand? We as Jamaicans, we go overseas and we talk about our country, we talk about Africa, places where we go. You know, we're adventurous people. We are people that we don't necessarily have to go to America, we don't have to go to Canada, we don't have to go to UK, because them places that we are left and go to Africa. You understand? Okay, we're not left for Jamaica, Jamaica our place. You understand? So we travel that place and get to learn our heritage and our ancestries and ancestors. You understand? But peace and love, you don't know, is a boy, Taz Promida, Taz TV. So please like, subscribe if you haven't done. If you're a returnee back to the channel, thank you for returning, and shalom from your soul.